Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you could sell tickets for more than one price category if the amount of tickets is limited. This is helpful if you would like to sell tickets for children and adults with different prices, but the amount of seats or space is limited and not related to the price category. The typical scenario is a concert or for theaters. Let's dive into it. First, we need to make sure that stock management is active on your WooCommerce installation. We go to WooCommerce Settings, then under Products go to Inventory, enable the stock management, and then save the changes. Then go to your product, set the product type to variable product and activate the stock management on your product for the event. Add the maximum amount of quantity you would like to sell. Then go to Attributes and enter the attribute for your price categories, like for children and adults. Save the attribute. Then go to Variants. Let WooCommerce add the attributes automatically and expand the attribute settings. Enter the regular price for each price category. Do not activate the stock management so that the common stock management will be used. Save the changes. Then go to Event Tickets and activate the ticket sale. Choose the correct ticket list and add the needed values. That's it. Now you can sell a limited amount of tickets for different price tags. Hope this helps.